under Chapter 7 talks about attitude and attitude changes. There are three attitude change theories. First, message appeal. Second is the source effect. And lastly, persuasion. Let's focus on persuasion. Persuasion is defined with as attempt to change attitudes. For instance, in a grocery, there is a stall that offers free taste of their product to persuade customers. Next, there are major approaches about changing attitudes and their role to persuasion. First is the balance theory. Approach suggests that consumers seek consistency in systems that are consist of three elements. For example, as a fan of LeBron James, you have to learn that he is also an endorser of Nike and they have produced a new release shoes. As a consumer, you will be more interested in purchasing the product. Therefore, attitudes towards of an object are affected by the perceived relations in the systems. Second, Elaboration likelihood model is a attitudinal change model that shows attitudes are changed based on differing levels of consumer involvement through either central or peripheral processing. In high involvement situations, central route is activated, while in low involvement situation, the peripheral route is activated. Third, social judgment is comparing incoming information to their existing attitude, and also serve as a defense mechanism for consumer. In a particular product such as toothpaste, a consumer is already familiar with the characteristics of a certain product like Colgate that has whitening effect and mint. Both source and message effects plays an important role in persuasion. Message effects includes issues related to the overall content and construction of the message, sex appeal, humor appeal, fear appeal, and violence appeal. All are used frequently by marketers. Source effects are characteristics of a source that influence the persuasiveness of a message. There are four things to consider in delivering the message effectively to the audience, such as credibility, attractiveness, likability, and meaningfulness. Serial position effect. A placement of message impacts recall of the information. For example, you have a list to buy from the grocery, but suddenly you are in a hurry. You forget those random stuff, but the first and last item are the one that you don't forget. Primary effect, the information placed early in a message has the most impact. Consumers are likely to remember the first advertisement information to interface it. Recency effect, the information placed late in the message has the most impact. Something too desirable product, consumers tend to prefer the second sample because of recency effect. Match-up hypothesis. A source feature is most effective when it's matched with relevant products. A good example of this is the use of well-known sports personalities to endorse sports brand. Also, consumer may already have particular perception of the endorser.